Coach Oliver Almagro, because I feel like even though he's been through a lot of championship rounds, championship series, from the men's division to the women's division, as we take a look at Yen Martin score on this drop right here, feeling ko coming back to his alma mater, Tuletran, and bringing them to the championship round on top of his list on memorable moments in his volleyball career.
Nothing beats winning at home.
Yeah.
Nothing. Napakasarap niyan. And now you're establishing a new ground. Babalikan natin parang nga si Lara Silva, di ba? 40 digs.
Yeah,
So
40.
pagkabubuo ka na.
Seasons ng NCAA, doon po nagkampiyon ang Lady Chiefs. Estoque. Martin. 11-9, by the way, is our tally. Pascual is still unstoppable in the opening set.
Full speed, full swing, perfect form. And Gail Pascual really maximizing. Spent a year in the training pool.
Yeah.
And then getting her opportunity now.
Correct. Oh, Zam Nolasco. Middle activation for Benilde.
Ito pinakamahirap kalaban ng Benilde. Pagka nakakuha sila ng puntos from their attackers and sa kanilang mga middle. Ang Lady Knights, but they're not breaking.
Tilang. Pascual from behind. Nat. Back to Gia here. Easy pop-up. Flawan! Her turn.
Stop, tangkad, athletic. Kasi kung nasanay ka nakakita, yung mga ganyan katatangkad, hindi ganyan ka-athletic. Service ace pa.
Upon her entry, Maika Go, former NCAA MVP. Able to fulfill her job. Gets burned off the bench. Difficult first ball there. This is a chance for the white shirts. Makilang was there to defend. Toro puts it down.
Again, emergency attack. Nag-scramble sila doon after this block. So wala sa pwede yung mga attackers. Doro was there on the opposite side.
She was supposed to be the starter for Coach O, but she wasn't available as Makilang scores the ace. Wow! What a serve right here by Makilang, our number 5 server in the league. That's full commitment.
Taas siguro mag-pogo jumps nito, no? Kasi biglang, ang bilis ng impulse niya eh. Ang haba pa.
Yeah. Pascual off the block. At pagporsyentuhan po ang labanan. Ito yung sinasabi ni Coach O. We practice this, do not get overwhelmed. Lalong-lalo na pag home stretch na ng mga set. Good drop ball. Saved by Gatigan. But Mitch Gamit wins the battle at the net.
Ayun, pag tinignan mo yung approach niya off this scramble, ang quick at saka ang taas ng pogo jump niya eh. Quick impulse for a girl.
Ang daan tumalon ka. Oh! Service ace! And Benilde is rolling here in set 1. Jessa Dorog unleashing a sharp serve. No, actually, medyo float pala yun.
Nakokontrol nila to start off this game. Pero parang it's a young buck na pag hinawakan mo, pipiglas ng pipiglas talaga eh.
That's right. Martin. Checked. Oh, Nolasco! Ends set number 1. Here's the return. Door was shut. Overpass. And it is taken care of by Zam Nolasco. Benilde is first on television via GTV. Martin Javier with Coach Hammer, Martin Antonio. Third member of the crew is Miss Hannah Arguelles. And we are seeing a much more confident Benilde team.
It's the closer of this team.
That's right. Only 2 points. This is a player who is averaging 16.6 points per match. Scored 149 points in the eliminations. Specialty ulit mula kay Nitura.
Di mo alam kung off-speed o cross-court. Ang importante, nakuha niya yung puntos. Ito, hindi mo alam kung kargadong-kargado.
On a 38-game winning streak in the NCAA. They're trying to complete a 40-game winning streak to take their third straight championship.
And that's the goal. You gotta execute.
That's
Speaking
right.
of execution, great block here by Mitch Gamit. Guys, yung mga nakaupo doon sa likod nila na nagre-residence.
Oo nga.
So, alam mo na, mabigat tong programa na to in the coming years.
Kaya malaking bagay itong finals
Oo.
appearance nila. Mondoñedo. Pascual! Wow! Woo!
Para ngayon lang na weapons free nakita itong dalawang manlalaro na to. I mean, kasi naging effective nga last week.
Oh, Dorog again. There for defense. Martin! Scores! So Letran retaliates here.
Tignan mo nga, yung hitting mechanics ni Martin. Hindi, arami mo pang pwedeng i-develop sa kanya. At they need to clean up para yung objectives ng gagawin nila right on the moment will affect the bigger goal.
That's right.
So, process-oriented eh. Kaya parang mga makina itong mga ito, parang mga Terminator.
Yeah. As we see this scramble on the trans side. Nolasco. Silva brings it to Makilang. Gatigan doing a great job today. Back row hit is defended by Silva. Makilang on the approach. Easy up for Micah. Mondoñedo, that is dug up. Ledesma, power tip. Still alive. Go! Puts it through. Second point for Micah Go.
And welcome back, Micah Go. The Springs are back. And ito mas nagiging assertive na siya. The
10-14.
And they climb back here. Oh, Melendres with some magic from the service area.
caught off guard.
How about
Si
that?
Itigan. Ito mga to. Sa pitpitan sa dulo.
Yeah. Pati yung huling laban yun.
Oo.
Sa semifinals natin against LPU. Also went to a fifth set. De La Cruz. High drop. Laki lang. Ko with some defense. Our push does not work. Gia. It's alive. Good effort from the Lady Blazers, but this is a chance ball for Letran Estrelier. Dorog. One more time. Inabot ni De La Cruz. Pascual!
Yun yung pagod ka na, ginawan pa ng paraan. And Gail Pascual, alanganin na nga yung pagkakuha dito. In-adjust pa niya yung take-off niya. She was going for that linear approach.
11 out of 19 for 58%.
Pero nakita mo nga, no, bumaba na rin yung kanyang mga attempts compared to last season.
Yeah.
Kasi last season, maabot na 60 minsan yung mga attempts ni Gail.
Dahil na rin gustong sanayin ni Coach Jerry yung next generation niya ng spikers. As we take a look at this running hit by Royce De La Cruz, much needed by the Lady Knight.
Malayo na to.
Matt Estrelier, only 3 excellent sets so far. Oh, Mitch Gamit! What a hit by Mitch. Perfect setup by Gloan.
Very explosive and light off her feet.
23-15. Peniod, 2 points away from taking a 2-0 lead. Gamit! Unstoppable in this stretch.
3 straight points for Mitch Gamit.
The CSB Lady Blazers.
He is on a heater right now, Mitch Gamit.
She has that capability of really providing a lot of offense for their team.
Gloan. Gamit!
Mitch Gamit
Puts an end to the second set. The Lady Blazers ending set number 2 on a massive 11-2 run. They take it 25-15.
CSB Lady Blazers, the second
was domination for the Lady Blazers in the next 2 seasons. Damn it!
Mitch Damit.
She is too much to handle at the net.
ATM on this game.
Jessa
Yung palo niya sa gitna ng talo.
Yeah. That's her 10th point of the match. Wewe Estoque. Judel. Dorog. Makilang. Good action from our liberos. Back set. Netura. Uy, binuhay ni Kitigan. Ledesma.
A good pancake by
Still
Jiel.
alive. Oh! And the Lady Blazers win the rally.
An anticlimactic ending to that long rally. Pero naman yun, oh, what a move there. Hindi pala pancake, one hand
Oh,
save.
that's it, yeah.
Pero yun, pinaka-basic. Ay! Hindi nag-uusap.
Take a look at the stats of Floan Mundoñedo. 3 points and 12 excellent sets already. Jade Hentapa, former finals MVP, is now in the match for the first time. Papabueluhin siya.
Grabe yung luxury dito ng roster ng Beal as they're structured. Coming off the bench is season MVP Mike Ago, former season MVP Mike Ago, and former finals MVP Jade Hentapa. Imagine that.
Off the bench, ha?
Aha.
Sparingly this year. May mga games nga na hindi siya pumapasok pa. O napaka-konti ng playing time. Because it's a transition year for Benilde. Joust. Netura. Wewe. Pinalik. Gamit. One-handed save. Estrelier. Katigan was there. Hentapa. Buhay pa. Makilang. Oh, kept alive by Dorog. Silva. Estrelier. Oh, return to sender.
Point, Lady Blazers.
Walang magre-receive, return to center. Defense of Benilde right at the middle. Yung defense din ng letra na floor defense nila, ready to pop that ball up. Kaya we're having long rallies.
Nung Benilde fans natin, meron
CSB
silang
at 12 points.
meron silang crown na umiilaw dito sa sideline, ano. Melendres.
Tama ba? May mga nakaganyan din nung pumasok sila sa finals sa
CSB.
basketball.
Oh,
For the
pwede.
Latinas.
Oo nga.
May mga nakaganyan din.
Well,
There's a
ayan.
challenge on the call by
Royalty.
CSB. Net touch.
Ayan na, may challenge tayo sa net touch. Coach is just having fun with it. Okay. It's Coach J ba yan? Yes, Coach J. Coach J Chua, net touch challenge. Tignan natin kung sumabit si Zam Nolasco and the Benilde players. Meron silang freedom to dance here. And Letran, they can still have fun to loosen up. Kasi medyo tensionado sa side nila.
Pero pag nakita ka ng dalawa head coach,
Ito. Ayan o.
ayan o.
The Benilde fans. This is gonna be a difficult climb for Letran, but that's a good serve. One way to do it. Mahirapan ang first ball ng Benilde. Estoque. Ooh! Nolasco with a reaction at the net.
Bigat. Not too much power when she plays, pero ang galing niya maglaro, no, plug in doon sa mga kailangan ng team.
Yeah.
Meron siyang 8 excellent takes, 5 excellent receptions.
That's what she brings to the table. Itong si Jessa Dorog. Oh! Chance ball. Back set. Zam Nolasco. Netura. Blazers has been on point. Shoot it again. That one was deflected. Dorog! Oh, defended by Silva. Tapang! It rolls in. But it's still alive. Estoque. De La Cruz
Royce.
scores from the middle.
So ito yung mga kailangan nila kasi ang tahimik nila ngayon. And naka-on eh.
Yeah. That's a hard-earned point for Letran, by the way. Nolasco,
Attack goes out.
too strong. Lead is down to 10. They will
There's a challenge on the
Challenge
ball.
this.
Frisbee, block touch.
on the block touch. Tignan natin kung may naka-check dito. Well, we certainly did not expect this, Coach Hammer, because
Competitive.
in the elimination round,
Competitive
oh.
lahat ng mga sets nila.
That's right.
Pero ngayon bumuhos eh.
But
Yung final form eh.
at feeling ko yung huling laban nila against LPU,
Wake up call.
yeah, that woke up the beast to 20. Flo. Oh, dalawa yung tumalon. Good denial by Letran though.
That's a point for the Lady Knights.
So 2 straight for the Lady Knights. Yeah, off the single coverage as well by Nitura. It's an 11-point lead. Estoque. Makilang fires away.
Gia Maquila.
And if you're going to take away something from this game, you want it towards the end part of this game na makakuha ng momentum si Gia Makilang.
Hentapa.
Jade Hendapa.
Haven't seen her hit like that all season long. This is an encouraging sign. And only one defender in front of her as well. Regalo para kay Nolasco will bring us to match point.
Substitution for Letran. Number 4 out, number 10. Natas Feliere. Steven Andres.
Pasarte. Nolasco. Martin. Here comes Benil. The 1-2 play for Basarte.
Hey, Basarte.
And game number 1 goes to Benilde. The Lady Blazers are 1 win away from a three-peat in women's volleyball in the NCAA.